Now we should analyze the concept of evaporative cooling using this psychometric analysis tool. So first of all, we learn what is evaporative cooling. So the evaporative cooling is basically derived as by adding water vapors in air. The through evaporation, the temperature of air decrease. So this process of cooling air is known as evaporative cooling. Here is an example. You see, this is our evaporative cooling system. From here the pump, with the help of this pump, the water is sprayed, and then the outdoor air is passed through this, so we get this cool fresh air. So this process is evaporative cooling. So now by using psychometric analysis, we analyze evaporative cooling. So this is our fresh air, and similarly we have let's suppose we have 6000 cfm. So adding 6000 cfm, we have temperature of 110 Fahrenheit and relative humidity of 14.5. Then you can apply this point. So after this you can add another point and write here evaporative cooling. So adding evaporative cooling, you can add straight point here, evaporative cooling. So here you select this evaporative cooling. Now here you see this is fresh air. So what temperature you want, so you can apply 75 Fahrenheit, then apply this. Now after that you can save report. So this is our evaporative cooling folder. We can write save report here, save this report, and also you can save this chart, save. Now here this is evaporative cooling folder. Now open this folder. Now here you see we have 110 dryable temperature and 14.5 relative humidity. So if you want to move to dryable temperature 110 to 75, we use the total energy removed by system is this, and cooling effectiveness is 91.5%. and here you see the relative humidity of the system increased at 85.7%. so here we get the relative humidity is 85.7. so this using this process is known as evaporating